Hello and welcome guys to my YouTube channel Science Tonic. Today my topic is related to the unboxing of the study material that I bought from the Amazon. There you can see, and this is the study material for various competitive exams, and I have brought it from the Amazon. Let's check what is inside this. First of all, we break the seal of the study material from the side with the help of scissors, and then we check what is inside it. You can see this is all the description of about. Now we open this and check what is inside it. Oh, this is the material. This is the material that is inside it, and I have brought it from Amazon. First book is related about general awareness. That is Blackbook of General Awareness of Nikhil, Gupta. And this book is very important for competitive exams like for SSC, Railways, and other exams, and it's also best book for the other state level exams, for example Jkssb. Now, what are the topics inside this book? Are the history related questions are there. You can see here, geography related, Indian polity, economics, physics, chemistry, biology, and computer, and other miscellaneous questions are in this. And this is the latest version of this book here. You can see here. And also there are 190 sets of recent exam papers of CGLS, CHSL, and NTPC, and 21,001 liners. And if we see inside this, first we see back side of it. You can see back of it, and there here's the author Nikhil Gupta. If we see inside of it, this is the first page of this book, and this is the price. You can see here, $5.99. And what's the index? Now this is the contents or index of this first page. Here we can say current affairs, the topics related to current affairs. Then there is the topics related to history, social science in general. In case of history, there is the topics like ancient Indian history, and here is on the second page medieval Indian history, and these are the subtopics modern Indian history, and then there is world history, and then there is art and culture and its subtopics like fairs and festivals, dances, music, etc. Now on this page there is a top questions of history, and in case of geography you can see Indian geography, world geography, ecology is there, and top 100 questions of all the topics which you read. And this is the Indian polity. You can see top 100 questions, and there's economics, and this book is full of general awareness. If you read this, you can crack any of the competitive exams. Physics, this is the biology portion, general science. You can see here, this is chemistry portion, this is biology portion, biology, that is zoology and botany portion. And this is the computer portion. You can see here all the topics, introduction, system, software, application, data, all the things which are related to computer. And now in this page there is miscellaneous exercise like of supports, books and authors, awards and other inventions and discovery, important days, and at last there is current affairs 2020, and other solid papers are there which you can read and get the highest marks. After that, if you see here, this is the first page of this. First is current affairs. This you can see the about budget system, and this is the inside of it. Here you can see. You can see this. Total number of pages, if you see here, are 938 pages are total, and the price of the book is $5.99. But if you brought it from Amazon, there is a discount. I will tell you that on later. Was the first book that I brought from Amazon, is Blackbook of General Awareness. Now the second one is Blackbook of English Vocab. जो vocab है, English portion होता है, उसके related book है ये. तो first of all we cut it. This is the second book. This is the second Blackbook of English Vocab, and in this book, if you see, there are the one-word substitution, idioms and phrases, synonyms, vocab, phrasal verbs, special word lists, root words, and 100 practice sets are there, and 2000 plus words. This book is also important for various exams, various competitive exams. Is also for useful for state exams like Jkssb and other related exams. And this is also updated book. You can see here, Jan 2022, and if we see inside of it, these are the topics. If you see here, idioms, phrases. First one is one word substitution, there are idioms, then there is synonym, antonym, spellings, the important topics which are given for the competitive exams. Then first topic is the idioms and phrase. The first topic is one word substitution. These are the topics if you see inside of the book. The paper quality of this book is also very good. The total pages, if you see here, is 560 are the total pages in this book, and also the author of this book is Nikhil Gupta, and this price is 360. You can see these are the two books which I bought from the Amazon. These are very important books for the competitive exams. Now about price, here is the receipt of it. If you see here, this book is about $5.99, that is 600, and this is 360. If we total this becomes 960. But I brought it from the Amazon, and the total I paid for that is, if you see here, is wait, blurs. Is 673 rupees I have paid for this, instead of 960 rupees. So you save 200 rupees if you brought it from the Amazon. And this is the receipt of it, and these are the two books. If you want success in the upcoming competitive exams, you can brought these books, and these are very helpful books. And this is all for today's video. Thanks. This is all. Thank you.